Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about Co-Evolve Misty Shores, an exclusive luxury residential project located on ECC Road in Pattandur, Agrahara, right in the heart of Whitefield, one of the East Bengaluru's most sought after residential destination. In this video, we will talk about the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with the project overview. Co-Evolve Misty Shores is a premium residential development by Co-Evolve Estates, thoughtfully designed for home buyers who are looking for spacious home, privacy, and a luxury lifestyle in Whitefield. Spread across approximately 2.37 acres, the project offers just 153 exclusive residences, making it a low-density development where residents can enjoy more open space and a sense of exclusivity. One of the standout features of the project is that all homes are 100% Vastu compliant and designed to maximize natural light and ventilation. Co-Evolve Misty Shores is positioned significantly below the average pricing of many luxury projects in Whitefield, and this project is registered under RERA. Now let's talk about the location. So Whitefield continues to be one of the Bangalore's most preferred residential and investment destination. From the project Nexus, Shantiniketan Mall is just about 2.4 kilometers away. Manipal Hospital on Varthur Road is just around 3.4 kilometers away, and D-Mart is approximately 4.3 kilometers away. Major employment hubs such as ITPB and SAP labs are located nearby. And when it comes to lifestyle amenities, so Co-Evolve Misty Shores offers more than 40 thoughtfully planned facilities designed for modern families. Residents will have access to swimming pool, children pool, fully equipped gym, multi-purpose hall, children play area. Now, moving on to the residences, so the project offers spacious 3.5 BHK apartment with a premium specification and efficient layout. The first configuration comes with a super build-up area of 2,349 square feet and is priced from approximately 3.46 crore rupees all inclusive. The larger configuration offers 2,690 square feet of space with the pricing available on request. The home features spacious living and dining areas, large balconies, excellent ventilation, abundant natural light, premium finishes, and well-planned layout that are ideal for modern family living. The master plan has been carefully designed with a landscape open space, internal roads, a grand entrance, and dedicated lifestyle zones. Talking about the construction status, so the project is currently in its early development phase and the target possession timeline is June 2028, while the RERA possession date is December 2029. For buyers, this stage offers the advantage of launch pricing and flexible payment plans. So if you're interested in the project, you can schedule the personalized site visit through the Property Cloud. During the visit, you will get the complete project presentation, a walkthrough of the master plan, detailed floor plan discussion, an overview of the amenities, pricing consultation, and an investment analysis to help you make an informed decision. For brochure, latest pricing detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.